Okay, bird of paradise in the ground. And we, Marsha ended up with eight. Eight bird of paradise. And they are very happy. They were so root bound, could hardly get, well, we had to cut the pot off. They did not slide out of those pots. But yes, they're happy campers now. Give you a close-up look at the beautiful flower. And we ate, and there's, okay, two back here, and one, two over there, and the four over here. Bird of paradise in the ground. And I told you guys, 50% off at Lowe's in Lakeland, Florida. However, my sister got 8 and left one there. So you might want to look for another Lowe's at a different city in Florida. Adios.